guys, welcome to this first introduction of the NOAH Hybrid. I'm very proud to say that we actually brought it out now this year, the end of the year. It's a system we have been developing for, let's say, 2.5 years now. It's the basic of this NOAH Hybrid is of course the electric version we have been already producing for a couple of years now. The reason we chose to go to with a gasoline engine, hybrid engine, is because we strongly believe that this is the most, well actually we don't believe, it is actually the best powertrain which has the highest energy output ratio compared to, let's say, a battery or hydrogen fuel. It's a fully integrated system, so everything on the hybrid engine is controllable by our controllers. As an end user, you really don't need to worry about the engine itself. It basically is there to just keep feeding the drone with electricity. Drone performance-wise, there's no difference in performance compared to the electric version. No other vibrations. Of course we had challenges like to cancel out these vibrations, but we overcome these, and now even the payload, even the drone itself, they don't have any issues with these vibrations we have to cancel out. So we're very proud on that. Again, the maximum amount of flight time we these days get is 2 hours with 6 kg payload. And we even get like over 3 hours with, let's say, 1 kg payload, or even longer flight times with lower payloads. It creates a new market. You can now inspect or scan or survey such big areas where normally only a proper chopper or a single rotor aircraft would be able to do these jobs. So the fuel we use is the normal pump fuel mixed with a little bit of oil to lubricate everything. It's so easy to get worldwide. These days it's really say it's even easier to transport this fuel or to get the fuel than batteries. Even if you're in, like, say, Africa or Australia, really in the outback, the fuel is widely available. And it will use even more the higher grade fuels as well, like jet fuels and stuff like that. Because this system has a built-in injection system, it really adapts the fuel injection to what fuel you actually put into this engine. So basically how to operate the system, we want to keep it like super simple for an end user. So it's really fill the tanks with the gas, plug in the backup batteries, and we're pretty much good to go. Wait for a 3D GPS fix like any other drone, start the engine with the press on the button, and then we can go up in the air. So now it doesn't have a performance exhaust, it's just a standard exhaust. There's definitely more very cool features coming, which we will explain you in the new final explained video. But like I said, now we can just start the engine with the button. We can even take off electric without the engine on, so we can just take off to a certain height or location and then start there the engine to create the electricity for the drone. But again, I'm gonna start it now, so I press this button. Engine will start. It runs very smoothly, and it will rev up the RPMs as soon as it needs more power. This is basically how easy it is to start. We don't need any other tools. And turn it off. It's the same way. Again, super user friendly. Fill the tanks, go up and do your mission.